Hello, my name is Kiran Sukhdev Kedare and in today's module we will be discussing about definition, concept and importance of management. Very famous personality Mary Parker Follett has given a very popular definition of management, which is given as management is the art of getting things done through people. But this is not a universally accepted definition as it fails to highlight different factors like what are the functions of manager. It ignores the scientific aspect of management which is given by Taylor. It also ignores human aspect and it treats people as if they are just merely means of getting things done. It also does not define the role of internal and external environment we all know that affects the organization. So it is very important to understand what is the real definition of management. The real definition or more effective definition is management is a process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling activities using resources of an organization for accomplishing the organizational goals efficiently and effectively in an ever-changing environment. So this is the more effective definition about management. Now, another important concept of management is 5 M's. So what are these 5 M's? The first M is the method, which is very important when you are managing things, that you know the right method of doing things. If you do not know the right methods doing things, then you will not be able to manage things properly. You also require material, that is the optimal utilization of material, the best possible way in which material needs to be managed. So this is the second aim of management. The third aim of management is the machinery or the tools with which the management needs to be performed. So machinery or tools are required for proper working of organization. Fourth aim is money. Now without financial resources or money, one organization cannot really function. And the fifth and very important function is a manpower. So without manpower, no organization can function. So this is most important aim in 5 M's of management. Now understand the different concepts or nature of management. The first very widely debatable concept of management is whether management is an art or it is a science. Well, ideally management is a combination of both art and science because science basically talks about principles, it talks about theories. So a person needs to have knowledge of principles and how to apply different theories and principles of management. How to apply the knowledge or how the knowledge can be utilized is the art of aspect of the management. The second concept or nature of management is that management is a multidisciplinary discipline, which means that management itself is not a discipline, but it has a evolved world or the theories have come from different other subjects and fields. So its theories, principles and concepts are founded upon other disciplines. These disciplines are economics, sociology, psychology, mathematics and information technology. So all these have basically contributed to management. The third concept or nature of management is a intangible. Intangible stands for something which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, but it can be always felt. So its existence or its inexistence you can feel it. The fourth nature of management is that management is a pervasive at all levels. Pervasive stands for something that is existed or which exists at all levels. So at the top level, middle level or supervisory level, everybody have to do all management activities. Now the fifth concept or nature of management is it is a environmental oriented activity. External environment which is political, ecological, economical, social, cultural, it affects the organization to a great extent. But organization needs to manage its internal environment because that can be directly controlled by the organization. The sixth concept or nature of management is that management is optimally utilizing the resources. The word optimal stands for the best possible way of using the resources. So physical, financial and informational resources must be optimally utilized. That is the proper management. Now let's see need or the importance of the management. First of all, management is required for effective utilization of resources. Secondly, along with that, it is also important to develop new resources. It is also important to incorporate innovations. Management is also important for better coordination among various departments like HR department, finance department, marketing department. and operational department. Then the fifth importance of management is that it provides a sense of security and oneness to employees. And the finally, management is also important to complete all the tasks within the given time frame. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.